What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to swap USDC to Polygon in Phantom Wallet. So you might be wondering how to exactly do so. So this one is pretty easy. So first thing you want to do is you want to open up the Phantom Wallet. And in here, we have four main features that we could use. So by default, we have the you receive, you send, and the swap and buy option. Now since we want to swap here, let's go and choose the swap feature. Now in here, what we need to do is we want to go ahead and basically choose the appropriate options. So in this case, since we want to swap from USDC to Polygon, we need to set the you pay as USDC and the you receive section is going to be Polygon. Let's go and choose our value here in the you pay section, which in this case is going to be USDC. Now in this case, since I want to use the Polygon chain here, let's go and select that and select our USDC. Now let's go and choose our you receive section, and you want to go again choose your chain here. So again, I want to use the Polygon chain here and basically choose Polygon. Let's go and choose this one. Now just to give you some idea here, if you're going to choose a different chain here, the value and the transaction fees are going to be really big. So if you really want to do that, make sure that you are really committed in doing it. But in this case, we are good. Let's go and close this one. And we want to go and specify the amount that we want to maybe send. So in this case, maybe I want to send a 3.4 here as an example. Now, you should be able to see the value update here. As you can see, the price, the fees, the price impact, the slippage. So once you're sure, just click on the swap now option. And it might take a while for the swap to complete, but usually it just takes like a few seconds. Now, you should see the swapped option or notification at the very top here. It means it's a success. So once we actually go back into our homepage here, as you can see, you should now have Polygon. But if you don't see it reflect, just reload your homepage here. Do not worry about it. But yeah, in this case, we now have Polygon. And that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.